All right, the first example. Um, we have we want to solve the equation P equals 2L plus 2W for L. So this is the variable that we want to isolate. Right. So the smart thing to do is to go ahead and find that variable and put a little box around it because you're leaving that variable exactly where it is. You don't want to mess with it. You don't want to move it around. You want to move everything else away from that variable. So we can start with our rule for opposite order of operations, which is reverse PEMDAS or SADMEP. And we just want to start by looking for any subtraction or addition away from the term with the L. Right? We want to get rid of everything far away from the L first and then move backwards towards L. Right? So we have subtraction or addition, we have a plus 2W. So the way we're going to eliminate a plus 2W is with subtraction. We want to add the opposite of 2W, right? So we have P and we have 2L plus 2W. And the opposite of 2W is negative 2W, right? So we want to subtract 2W from both sides of the equation. Now on the left, P minus 2W, I can't do anything to simplify that anymore. So this is actually just the way it's going to look. That's why literal equations can be even easier than regular equations because we don't have to do any calculations. We just move those over. On the right side, we have like terms to combine. So 2W and negative 2W combine to be 0 by the inverse property of addition. And we can just bring down everything to the next step. So we have P minus 2W. Let me write that again because it's not so beautiful. And that's going to be equal to 2L. All right, now we're actually almost done. We have to look for division or multiplication to get rid of. And of course we have multiplication. We have 2 times L. So the opposite of multiplication is of course division. So using the division property of equalities, we'll divide both sides by 2. Now remember, you have to divide this entire side by 2, not just any part of it. Everything gets divided by 2. So you can put the whole thing over 2, and it sort of all gets locked up now. So now the 2's on the right-hand side will divide to become 1, and what we end up with is P minus 2W all divided by 2, or the difference of P and 2 times W divided by 2 is equal to L. There is a way to check it, and I can show you that later.